Hello, good morning. I'm going to show you how to earn with blogging. Like I said earlier, blogging is all about writing content and earning online. So today, I'm going to show you how to create a blog post. Before I kickstart, this is one of my blog here, and you can see I posted lastly on May 8th. This is the last I posted May 8th. It was the last I dropped a post here. This was the last day, May 8th. And if you move to my web money account here, and because I've not even dropping posts on a regular basis, and I don't even share most times. You will see here on my web money account, there's $8 here. This money was paid to my account a few days ago from that through that blogging. Um, just and I've not been posting a lot. If I can give attention to this blog, I can be withdrawing close to 100 or $200 every month, but I have not given attention to the blog yet. But I want to try as much as possible to do so this couple of weeks from now. So what you need to do here is to click on this plus button here, add new post. If you click on add new, when you click on add new here, you will be sent to a blank page like this, so you can write your content as you want. But I don't really have the time to write content because I'm not a content creating lover when it comes to writing. So what I'm going to do, which I have already started one of my blog here, can see I'm writing one currently now. So what I do is to go for on research on other blog, what other blogs are posting or what is trending, because of the nature of the blog I'm running. This is school blog where I drop information regarding to school. So you can look for another niche that is another type of blog. You can write on financing, you can write on a couple of other things. So I'm currently writing a post, crafting a post on a school update. So I'm going to go back now, and you see what I'm talking about. So I'm crafting a post on this school here, Eco University of Medicine and Health Science. So you can see this blog post has been written here already. So all I need to do is to just not copy everything, look for some sections, copy them, just do a quick copy. You just do a quick copy, and I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it. So when you just do a quick copy like this, okay, make sure you, when you see these mistakes, copying everything, it's not really needed. Just refresh, because I'm using one hand to hold my phone. That's why it is become a little bit difficult to copy. Also, just have to copy this. Okay, copy half, just copy half, copy like this. When you copy it, you move to this app called Student Companion here. Move to this app, and you can use the AI editor on the app. You can download the app from Play Store, Student Companion. You open the app, you can click on Unidale or Unilag, anyone you want to click on. But you just click on Unidale here. And
Hey everyone, I make money trading online with Expert Option. Let me show you how I earn in
click on Unidale and click on AI Assistant. So when you click on AI Assistant, you can just drop that what you just copied here and say okay, rewrite. So it's going to rewrite that content for you. This is the version I copied now. This is the version I copied now. And if I to move to a plagiarism checker like SEO, these are plagiarism checker, SEO center. So this what they do is that they check if your content has been written before. So I'm going to check this now, and you're going to see that it is plagiarism free. Okay, let me just get. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick run on it. So this one I copied from the site. Let me drop it here first and run a check on it. Check it out. You can see it is plagiarized, 25% plagiarized, 75% unique. Though I can still drop this post, but it's not really ideal because there's plagiarism inside, meaning somebody has copied. I've written that post, so I'm copying from somebody. You can see if you check where the source comes from, you can see whether it is from that particular site. My school gist where we copy that post from. Document view, you can see here the area that is showing copyright, this area. So what you can do is you can change it to your own word. Also, you can change it to your own word, and it will not be my plagiarized. For instance, if I go back here, if I go back to the plagiarism checker, sorry, and I just change additionally candidate may need meet their criteria including interviews. So I say also, let me just use also here, and you may need to meet other requirements including interviews. Okay, let's run a quick check on it now. You can see it's 100% unique now. Why? Because I've done effected some changes in those areas, but this most times you run out of ideas of effecting changes and you may not be able to change everything. So the best way is to change it from here. Now I've told this AI assistant to rewrite this content for me. He has done that, so I'm going to copy now, and let's run a quick check on it. Let's run a quick check on it. The same way, just go back, Blizzard checker. Okay, let's run a quick check. You can see it's 100% unique. Everything has been rewritten. So what you want to do now is to move to your blog where you are posting. You can see I've been posting here. So I started this post. So what I want to do now is to paste this here. I've written all these ones also. Okay, yes, is what I need. I said I've written something here before, but I'm removing this one because the one I just wrote now is more informative and has more content, reliable content. So it's very, very important. And one thing I love about it is that you can be sleeping and you are making a lot of money. This is one thing I desire to do in the couple of days from now, is to give much attention to my blog. I've been sleeping for a while now, so I want to give attention to it. So that's why I am doing this video also, to help somebody out there to start making money from their blog. And that is just only one account where I've made money from this blog though. The other accounts I don't want to review that one for security reasons. So that one is private for me only. So, but I have just showed you one where I have earned money from this particular blog, because I have an AdSense account also where I earn money from this blog also, so I've earned money from Adstra also. That's the money I just showed you now. That is just for last month, which I did not really post. I think for last years, which I did not really post much, and I'll be able to earn that amount of money. But in the case where I post much, I share the content, you can imagine how much I can earn. So this is how to craft a blog post. So You can look at the headers, just do your personal researches, improve yourself. I might necessarily not be able to give a complete guide because of I want to give a long video for now. So this is how it works, basically crafting a blog post here. So even this, you can see I can change everything here to bullets. You can just do that, and you move here and you click on what you want to do. I want to use these bullets. You can see it makes sense more. You can remove this beginning. So that is how basically it is to craft a post, and you can do this in a few minutes. Even my plan for a couple of the next week is to dedicate a whole week for constant writing of posts, at least 10 posts per day, 10 posts per day, or even 100 posts. I just dedicate a whole day to craft a lot of posts, so that when I will publish them day by day, so you can make a lot of money by writing posts like this. So you can see how unique this looks now. You can just these are were also gotten from ChatGPT, from AI assistant on the university, the companion app. You can just make it bold and change the header to maybe minor. So that is how it is. So when you are done, let's imagine you are done crafting your post. All you have to do, one thing I recommend, is to add one image here. You can just add one image. So in our next lecture, I'm talking about how to add image. So this lecture is basically how to craft your post. Like I said, a quick recap: you go to a site where you desire to get the kind of post from. You can use multiple sites. Just for instance, I can still go to another site on this particular topic, echoes. Okay, if I copy the top heading now and I paste it on my browser here, we discover that I'm going to see different options from other different sites, including the university itself. You can see here, so so I can go to different sites, gather information. What they are doing, they are not really actually copying somebody else's post. What they want to do, the main goal here, is to gather information and tell the AI assistant to write it that same way. That's just the goal. So you can go to multiple sites. You can come here, for instance, this on the same information. You are gathering information. So look at this site, how they wrote their own content. You don't have to cram to go and write it by yourself. You just come here. Let's take, for instance, let me copy something from this site now. Okay, you just move a little bit down. It can be their conclusion. It can be the way they wrote this. I can say, okay, I love this place now. List of available programs. You can see how it's well written. So all you have to do is to copy it and move. Take it there. Let's take it there. You can see how I love this place. Specific admission requirement for MMBBS, medicine and surgery. So you can copy this place now. You can copy this place. Just copy it, and you just take it back there. Or you can even come to the conclusion of this particular one. And if you love the conclusion, you just copy. You can see this one gives a more clear illustration about the price and everything for the. So I love this one a lot. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to even work with this. So you can just how to apply for echoes post GMF. All you have to do now is to copy this, move it to that place, ask to rewrite to suit what you want. Let me just rewrite this content here. Don't worry, if this is a table, but don't worry, copy it like that. There will be a rewritten version for you which you like. Wow, sorry, I made a mistake now. So, and most importantly, if you can get if you can get AdSense approval on your site, you can make a lot more money from it. I don't really want to show you my AdSense account now. I don't want to show that. So you can copy that. It's a little bit, becoming difficult for me to copy, but just because I'm holding my phone with one hand because of the mic I'm using. So just copy if you can. When you're done copy, you can copy it. If you're having issues, don't be in haste. You can copy section per section. You can just copy this section, you move it to the app. Yes, just remember, forget, don't, you cannot, maybe you might decide not to add rewrite again. If you have added that before, you can just paste. But if you have not added it before, make sure you add rewrite before. Tell the AI assistant to rewrite it, so you can. But I've already told him, so he understands, or it understands, not him, it understands what to do. You can see here it has been rewritten. Applicants are required to pay a total sum of the to the school. The breakdown of the fee is as follows. But if you look at the content here, admission form, applicants are paid to pay the sum of to the school. This detail is as shown as follows. You can see here there was a mistake here. There was a mistake here, but the mistake was corrected here. You can see how smart the AI assistant is. You can see here it has rewritten the content. There was a mistake in the calculation here, which it corrected. So I can also say, if I don't like the way I wrote it, so I can say, okay, rewrite expanding, or I can say, and increase word count. Maybe if I need a longer length of that post, I can see it's going to rewrite it again and give more details into everything. You can see it has given a lot more details than expected that I even need. Apply, okay, and to the amount to be paid is this, okay. Application fee for the fees. The fee is required for the processing of your application, cover the administrative costs, okay. In addition, applicant fee, there's a screening fee, okay, this is necessary to cover the cost. You can see how smart it is. It's able to craft the post again to make your post long, and also because the longer your post to me is a little bit better in some cases. But don't always write posts that are not interactive, so that people will not feel bored when your post is too long. So even though you are going to write a long post, make sure you write posts that are interactive. So the goal why you go to people's blog is to get information, not to copy their post necessarily. So when you copy a post, you rewrite it. Don't go and paste it on your own blog. It is not right for SEO, and it's also going to damage your blog indexing, and also it will affect the persons you copied from. So that's why you have to rewrite it. And don't just come here and tell the AI assistant write a post for me. You can do that, but if you tell it to write a post for you, it's going to write a complete post for you, but it's not also right for your blog. So the best method is to go to several blogs, look for sections that the bit of information you need and want to write about, copy and rewrite, copy and write, copy. You can copy just one post from 5 different blogs to make it more unique. Copy from 5 different blogs. For instance, I can come to this post and copy the introduction from here and move to another blog, copy the body, which is including maybe the application areas. I can move to another side, also copy conclusion, move to another side, copy, and also add my own idea. Don't forget, you can add your own idea, to make it more unique. So that is how it is to craft a blog post using this AI assistant. So I cannot craft a complete blog post here because of the time. I don't want the video to be that lengthy. So just this video covers for that, how to craft a blog post. So when you are done crafting a blog post, you just add your image here. You can add image in several ways. So maybe in the next video we're going to talk about okay, let me just add an image here. So let's take, for instance, we just wrote a blog post about this institute. Now if you come here, you can have search for it, and I can just move a little bit to images here, and you have seen images of the school. So just select, don't worry about copyright. There's no copyright in this. Just look for image of the school that you're writing about, or the post you're writing about, wherever you want to get the image from. majorly when it comes to squad bits, you can't really get your own images, so you can just add a little bit of edit to this your image here, but it's not necessary. You can just edit it, add a content over an overlay to it. But if you really, you can see what this person did now, an overlay has been added. You can just add something to make it more, your picture to be, image to be more unique. But for me, I really don't have that time to do so. So what I do is just I use the same image I downloaded. So just come here. What you do on this platform, that if you want to add your image anywhere where your console, sorry, where is your console, that's where the image will be added. If you want to add an image, you have to keep my console here. So where you want to add the image, that's where you keep your console. So you just have to move forward. Now I want to add, I normally add the image, I prefer add my image due after introduction, my first image after introduction, because your first image is what will show as your thumbnail. So you can just click on here is to add video, you are here to add image, but we are talking about image today. So you click on upload from computer, click on, so let me come again, click put add, keep your console where you want to add your image, and you click on image here, click on upload from computer, click on choose from file. You can see it's here already, so you just click on upload that, and immediately uploaded you just have to click on select, and that spoon is already available. So you can see here that the everything is all set. You can add multiple images, you can add another one here, the same procedure, but the one you added first is the one I will show as a thumbnail. What I mean by thumbnail is this. Okay, let me see where I can get a good illustration of a thumbnail for you. Okay, university Unidale Tech. Okay, you can see here, this is a thumbnail, this is the image showing at the beginning of your post. These are thumbnails. So the one that you add first is the one that will show there, so let's move backward. So you can, there is the blog post, you can just click on publish. You must add the title though, but it's not compulsory. Add your title here, so you can add the title I copied last time. You can create your own title also. Says it opens 2024, posted with direct entering application. Same way you can still move and say rewrite 5 times, but I don't waste time on that. Just rewrite, it's going to rewrite it as much as you need it. So you click on send, and immediately you can send it. Let me just publish this. I'm going to unpublish it if I'm not done with the post. But don't try this on your own blog. It's not right. Publishing on publishing posts is not wrong, but it has a way it damages your SEO, so which is your search engine optimization. So if you move to the site we just visited now, okay, and you click on refresh, you are going to see the post we just published now. You can see here a cool Unimate. You can see it's available now. People can now start reading it. So you can see it's available. You can see here. So I'm going to unpublish this because I'm not done with the content here. So as per reading this post, I'm cashing out. That is how it works. So you can set up your blog. If you need me to set up your blog for you, if you need a blog like this, you can inbox me on WhatsApp to set up one for you. It's at affordable price. You don't need coding knowledge. All you need is your knowledge of writing posts. I will be the one to code it for you, and it will be yours and yours forever. So that's all in this. So you can send me a message on WhatsApp, and you can start making money from blogging also. Thank you very much.